Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with the another interview question. So this is the table we have. As you can see, these are the name, category, month, sales. So we have to generate a pivot table to analyze the sales data. Okay. So let me show you what is the pivot table. All right. So this is the data. This is the look which we have to transpose from this table to into this table. All right. So this is the month column. As you can see, this is the month column of this table, and we have to build a column like this: clothing, electronics, category, and grocery. So this is basically the category, and below these categories in the rows there are the sales amount, aggregated sales amount for each month. All right, so this is the output we want. All right, so first we will use the case statements, and after that we will use the pivot operator. All right, so let's jump into it. All right, so this is the sales table we have, and the first column we want the month. All right, so let's remove this and month. Okay, so the name of the column is month, and we want to extract the month. Okay, we are making some change in this column actually. Okay, so we are typing, we are getting the month, name of the month, like this is the March, this is the February, and this is the January. All right, so we are not giving these kind of dates, so we are having a proper months. Okay, so let's do that. Date, month, date, name. All right, so we want month. Okay, from the column month. All right, as month. Okay, now what we want, case when the category is equals to electronics. Okay, whenever we have electronics in the category, so what we want, we want value, then sales. All right, so if there is a category name called electronics, then what we want, sales. Below this category I want 4500. all right, else 0 and as electronics. All right, so this is the first column. All right, so how many categories we have? Electronics, clothing, grocery, electronics, clothing, grocery. So we have 3 categories, so we're gonna create 3 case statements. All right, so one more. All right, that's it. So now one for clothing and grocery and grocery. Perfect. And this one. All right, so let's run this. Cool. So what we have in the month of January, we have sale of 4500, no clothing, no grocery. In January, 0 electronics, 7500, 0. All right, so what we want, distinct values of month, not 3 values of January, not repeating values of the month. We want single distinct value of month, and we want a single line data. So what we can do here is we can use sum operator. All right, so we can use sum, and it will aggregate the values into the single line. Oh, it will come in the end. All right, and sum. All right, group by, we can use group by, this whole thing in the group by. All right, so yeah, perfect. And all right, so in the February, 9000, clothing 1200, grocery 5500, January electronics 4500, 7500, 3000. All right, so this was the one type of logic without the help of pivot operator. So now we gonna use pivot operator. Okay, so let's do that. Select. What we're gonna do here is date name. First we'll select the table, sales data, and date name. In the date name we have month column and month. All right, now sales and category. All right, and we'll all right, so what we have 3 columns here. All right, so now what we want, we will make this result set into the sub query. Okay, and x. All right, so now the pivot starts from here, and sum, we're going to use sum operator and sum for aggregating the sum values, sales values. All right, and for what variables we have? Variables category, for category in these categories, electronics. All right, so we'll square brackets. All right, clothing sorry, the clothing, and the one more square bracket, grocery. Oops, sorry. All right, so we have pivot. We made use of sum operator and for category in these categories. All right, and pvt tvl. All right, as pivot table. So let's run this. All right, so these are the different logics we have used to generate the same type of result set. February, January, March, same values, same aggregated values. So remove this and generate both the outputs. All right, so pivot operator is basically to make a jazzy look of the data, and it's a very useful thing to summarize the data in minimum rows. All right, so thank you so much guys for your time, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Paste your solution in the description box. All right, thank you so much guys, thank you for your time.